Well, good afternoon, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another informative video. And this one is called Crypto Ain't Going Nowhere. What we are looking at on the screen on CoinMarketCap are the actual bottom feeders of the top 100 cryptocurrencies. OMG Network, Raven Coin, Shia Coin, Uma Coin, Digibyte. And you might be wondering, why am I focusing on the ones that are in the top 100 at the end? At the end, folks, I want to draw your attention to the market caps of these particular blockchains. Look at OMG Network, $496,204,385. Look at Raven Coin, $500,494,068. Look at Shia Coin, $517,992,973. How about Uma Coin? $521,640,872. How about Digibyte? $533,814,549. Folks, we're looking at the bottom 5 of the crypto space according to CoinMarketCap, and you gotta have a $500 million market cap to be in the top 100, the bottom of it. You know, I find it amazing that there are people still walking around that don't have an account to buy crypto. I find it amazing that there are still people walking around that think cryptocurrency is a fad. If OMG Network is the last of the top 100, and you gotta have $496 million worth of money, market cap wise, to be the number 100 slot crypto, I think it's fair to say that crypto ain't going nowhere. We're not even looking at the top 10. We're looking at 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. Those 5 cryptos in the bottom of the top 100, their market caps are over a combined $2.5 billion. It's something to think about. So if you've enjoyed this video and you're not a subscriber, please like and subscribe, throw up the shares, and I'll catch you on the next one.